What's up?
Send me picture me.
Okay. All right.
Come on with my friend.
All right. Let's see here. I just put on my long lens. This is gonna be a little bit tricky. Let's see.
Instagram, Albanian guy.
All right.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Let me switch my lens.
Okay.
All right. What's your name?
Fatmir.
Okay.
Fatmir.
All right. I'm James. What's your name?
Same.
Oh.
Same.
All right. I love it. I love it. I'm James. All right.
Albanian guy.
Let's go. All right. Hey, lean a little forward for me. There you go. I gotta separate your heads. I noticed you had your foot out. Could you put it like right up here for me?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanna get your foot up here. Can you reach?
So good.
Cause no. I like the depth because your foot's like right here.
Okay. You good?
Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, hang tight for me. 3, 2, 1. That's good. Let me give you my card, man.
All right, man. Oh, you put it in Instagram or not?
Instagram.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I checked
I mean, I'll double.
What time you send the Instagram?
I gotta look through my photos, make sure I got a good shot.
Yeah,
but,
good, okay.
But if
Give
it
me
works,
name, I follow you on Instagram.
okay. Yeah, well, there's my card. That's my website right there.
It's Instagram this?
That you can get to Instagram through the website, but I'll give you my name here too.
What
What are you guys up to?
Let me see picture.
Okay.
Here, give me the. That's Instagram?
Oh yeah, nice man.
I thought I'd get the foot in there. I thought it had some character. Okay.
Will you put it in Instagram tonight or no?
Yeah, I will.
Just fix it good, okay?
Put in Albania guy, work.
All right. Let's see here. Okay, there you go. That's me right there.
Oh, okay.
Hey, thank you so much,
Yeah,
my
absolutely.
friend.
Thank
See
you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, all right. Fantastic. Have a good day, all right? I was like, I can't swing this with the 70 to 200. Hey, excuse me, man. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Quick question. I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people. I love your tattoos. I just wonder if I could take a photo of you really quick.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name, brother?
Misha.
All right, I'm James. Well, I just want to get you standing right here.
What's this for?
I have an Instagram page. I share them on Instagram.
Okay.
So I just take photos.
Nothing political.
No, of
All right,
course
good. I don't
Absolutely.
want to be involved in anything.
No. Yeah, I don't even know what your tattoos are about, man. I just think they're interesting.
Okay.
All right, now look at me. All right, hang tight. Drop your chin down a little bit for me. Yeah, there you go. All right, now look that way one more time for me. Sweet. So what is that, beaver right there?
A beaver? No,
Yeah,
it's a
what is-
pig.
It's a pig.
Oh, on this side.
Yeah.
It's a dog.
Dog, okay.
Dog.
All right.
Pig on the other side.
That's cool.
What's your Instagram page?
I'll give you my my card. So this will take you to my website. You can get to my Instagram from my website very easily.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, brother. Have a good day. Nice guy. I'm glad he was willing. Had a lot of people say no to me today. The frustrating part is when I really do want a photo of them. Most of the time when I'm asking somebody for their photo, I really do want a photo of them. So it sucks to get a no.
Hey bro, can I get your number? You're a photographer, right?
Yes.
I'm a model, so
All right.
I'd like your information.
Okay, sure. There we go.
But yeah, so like, and you got the GoPro and everything.
That's
so like,
right.
what kind of shit do you do?
So I'm a street photographer. So I just take photos of
my
interesting.
God. Okay, well you want to do a shot of me real quick?
I'd love
or,
to.
like- okay.
I'd absolutely love to. I love the hair.
You want to do light? You want to get the light?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Let's put the arch behind you. You want to step right over here for me?
I want to do like one like this.
Okay, cool. Let me get one up close really quick. Oh, I love this. I really do like the hair.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I can get one a little further back. I can tell you're very comfortable. Awesome. That's good. If I should, yeah, you bet. I'll give you the elbow
Oh
tap.
yeah, the elbow. That's
Yeah.
perfect.
So if I whatever I share on Instagram, it'll be on there, and I can send the whatever photos I get to you in a direct message as well.
So direct message them to me, but can you send me the raw files so I have the high quality images?
I don't send raws, but I'll send you the high quality.
The highest that you can.
I'll send you the highest quality edited version.
Post them in my that way I have them for our
You bet. What was your name again?
Alex.
All right, I'm James.
Nice to meet you. I'm actually like a famous model.
He is good.
Charge like 45 for a shoot.
No, I charge $5 grand for 8 hours.
Well, that's you should know your worth,
Yes,
man. That's
I
great.
Yeah, so like
That's great. What was your name, brother?
Graham.
All right,
This is
James.
Graham. He's a huge artist. Like he's
Okay.
amazing. So yeah.
Okay.
Do you art or do you just do photography?
Just street photography, yeah. I mean, I'm a filmmaker as well.
Wait, are you the guy that takes the pictures of all the models that are walking around?
No, I don't do a whole lot of models.
Oh, that's not you.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what I'm talking about though.
Maybe you talking about the sartorialist?
That guy.
Yeah, he's like big deal.
You film everything?
Yeah, I make videos and put them on YouTube. So I just record my.
GoPro's been recording this whole time. Amazing.
I just put my photo walks on YouTube.
That's
People
awesome.
love it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You guys have a great day. Hey, excuse me, sir. I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people I meet. I think you look very interesting. I was just wondering if I could take your portrait of you.
I'm very interested.
Yeah, what's your name?
Howard,
Okay, I'm James.
how you doing?
Pleasure to meet you.
You can take a photo if that's me. That's
Okay,
good.
great. You want to stand right there for me?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, hang tight for me. All right, 3, 2, 1. Get a little bit closer here. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. And 3. Oh, let these guys pass really quick.
You like taking
All right,
photos?
3, 2, 1. I do. I love it. Especially taking
I use,
photos of people like you.
I have a lot of cameras and I take a lot of photos. I have like I don't mean it facetiously. I have a really good eye for pictures. I give
Fabulous.
you an example.
Okay, great.
You know, my best friend who
digital
passed
cameras,
away,
film cameras?
was a painter, and for years I grew up like, you know, going, seeing paintings, etc.
Okay, okay.
But I'll give you an idea. I mean, just like layouts.
Okay, cool. Pumpkin. I like it. I'll give you my card so you can know where it's going.
Here's my card.
Oh, man. I get your card too?
Yeah.
It's a good day.
I'm related to famous people.
All right. I like
Really?
it. I listen,
cousins are
I
the
have no reason to
people-
not believe you.
My cousins are the people who created Betty Boop.
No way.
Popeye cartoons, Superman cartoons. My last name is
Wow.
Fleischer.
All right.
David Max Fleischer.
I'll look you up. There you go, sir.
You've never heard of David Max Fleischer?
No, I don't think so.
Really?
No.
You've never heard of a thing called, besides like, okay, they did.
Big in the comic book world, right?
No, they were animators.
Animators. Let's see.
They were like,
okay.
Betty Boop was
Yeah.
a cartoon.
I didn't get into that too much, so that might be why I don't know.
Really? You don't
Yeah.
know Betty Boop?
No, I know who Betty Boop is. I just you know, I haven't
Or
spent
the
a lot of time
Superman
with Betty Boop.
cartoons from the 40s?
Wait, say it again?
The Superman cartoons from the 40s.
I didn't really get into, you know,
like Batman.
before my
Also,
time.
They were the ones that started a thing called rotoscope. which
Right,
they
I know
ended
about
up
that.
with.
Yeah.
They were like the inventor of rotoscope.
Fabulous. Wow, okay.
And then also, then they had a son by the name of Richard Fleischer.
Okay.
Who did movies like Tora.
Okay,
Did movies
heard that one?
like Fantastic Voyage.
Okay.
Did movies like Soylent Green.
All right, all right.
Did movies like terrible movie, Conan the Destroyer. He did about 70 movies. Wait, all the way back to Kirk Douglas and 20,000 Leagues Beneath the Sea.
Oh my gosh, okay.
The Disney one
Yeah, okay. Wow, all right.
with Peter Lorre.
I'm gonna have to research this.
Have a good one.
It seems like a very interesting world. Pleasure to meet you, thank you. Hey, excuse me, man.
Talk to me about
I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I meet. I thought you were interesting. I was just wondering if I could take your photo really quick.
Oh, no.
No, all right. What's your name, man? Kevin?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, see ya. I wanted that one. I like this look. Hey, man, can I take your photo? Can I take your photo?
Photo of me?
Yeah. All right. I just thought you looked good, man.
Thank you, man.
All right. Have a good day, okay? Hey, excuse me, sir. Could I take your photo? I'm a street photographer.
No, I don't want to.
All right.
I mean, if you want to take it, you won't know who I am, so that's fine.
Yeah, okay. You can pretend like I'm not here.
I'll pretend like you're not here.
All right. What's your name, brother?
Joe.
I'm James. Good to meet
James,
you.
thank you.
All right.